The next day.
Hi guys, so today is my first day of second year in college, so I'm kind of ready. I'm just waiting, like after some time I'll leave. So this is the outfit. It's pretty basic, so I'll meet you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm actually back. My class got over really early, and I'm sorry for the fan sound, but my class got over like really early, and I couldn't shoot anything during class because I got there really late. There was so much traffic, there was rain, and I had to like walk the last 5 minutes basically. So I couldn't actually shoot anything, but maybe I'll make this a first few days in my week sort of vlog. So we can do that, and you guys will see what I'm doing next. That's it for this little college vlog slash a few days in my life video. If you guys have made it so far into the video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. It means a lot to me that you guys have made it so far, and I'm still trying to figure out how much I'm sort of able to shoot in college, like shoot videos in college and stuff, because I'm not exactly sure if it's allowed, but I've still tried to include a few bits here and there in my vlog. Also, I try to include more clips from my study sessions, so look forward to study vlogs and stuff like that in the future. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on all of the content that's coming up soon. And look forward to my next video which is gonna be sort of a college related thing. Like I'd gone on a trip, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.